To connect to and create a model based on data from SAP SuccessFactors Workforce Analytics, we can create a connection in the connection area or as part of the process of creating a model. Note that Workforce Analytics connections can't be shared with other users. For this example, we'll create a connection while creating a model. Here, we need to select the Get Data from a Data Source option. Note that the process to connect to SAP SuccessFactors is covered in a separate video. In the connection name area, we can choose an existing connection or create a new one. Next, we need to enter the service URL. The appropriate URL is based on the Workforce Analytics data center to be used. Refer to the SAP Analytics Cloud connector for SAP SuccessFactors Workforce Analytics Guide for details. Next, we need to enter the user ID and password. Now we'll create the connection. We need to build our Workforce Analytics query. We can add one or more measures from the available folders to the selected data area. Dimensions become available based on the measures we choose. Note that we need to add at least one date dimension to the query. If we want, we can also add dimensions to the filters area to restrict the range of data to import. Note that we can't use measures as filters. A query name is created automatically, but we can change it if we want. The data was successfully imported. During data integration, we can perform a range of tasks such as resolving data quality issues, enriching geographic dimensions, creating hierarchies, and defining dimension attributes. Refer to the relevant videos for more details. Thanks for watching.